Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add OneDrive and SharePoint to the Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Slack app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our channels, our direct messages and some tips. From here we just have to go into general, then to connect apps. Then the app is going to load. And now we have a list from which we can choose apps. Here we scroll down and go to the daily tools section, under which we find OneDrive and SharePoint as the last option. We just tap on this, then the app is going to load again. But after it has loaded, we can just tap on Add to Slack, thereby adding the app to our workspace, and then we can just use it while we are working. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.